Best Buy, guys. Styrofoam from the TVs are old. Alright guys, looks like we found some little clay pots. See if we can't get them out. Some of them broke, some of them not. Sitting down in that water, it's wet.
Starters.
Well, what that is. Glitter. Don't want no glitter. Stuff gets everywhere. Okay guys, that's it here. Alright guys, this is Petco. With the bottom to it. There's another feeder right here. They ripped that toy open. Rip that one open. This little bird cage, crumpled paper. This is a collar. Oops. It's a quiet flow for our fish aquarium. Is it flea collar? I think so. Dog food. What are those?
Maybe they're lids.
No. I think it's for a bird.
Got it.
See anything else?
No, just styrofoam.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it here.
Alright, hey guys, and we are here again. We're not quite sure what these things are, but we caught them.
Somebody will know.
And,
If y'all know, leave us
yeah,
down in the comments and let us know.
there's 3 of them here. And same with this too. He thought it went to the bird cage, but
You know, I thought that was for some kind of a bird deal, and I thought that was like a little slide or something for a bird. So I don't know.
and then we got this dog food. It was open, but apparently they stapled it shut. We got this dog collar. All these little pots. There's 8 of them there. One of them's got a crack, but I mean, okay, 2 of them do. And
These we found it was PetSmart. All this other was Petco.
it says Pet Armor.
They just didn't have a whole lot tonight at none of the stores. We went to Shreveport.
Yeah, we got to get out of our comfort area every now and then. And Grizzly thought this was a collar, but it was these little flea things, Pet Armor, and they cut them. But this is the only 2 that was in there. I don't know if this is supposed to be. It is. But this
Aquarium filter.
Yeah, it's all in there, as y'all can see. So, and then we got this pet crumble paper.
For a bird.
And then we got this cool little bird cage. It was all complete.
Yeah, it's all there.
See now if I find a stray bird, I can
No.
put it in there.
You get rid of some of these animals now.
Okay, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And every day is an adventure. And till next time.
We appreciate y'all.